Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a speed build. And the reason why my voice sounds a bit different is kind of because I'm sick right now. So yeah, and I'm going to be doing this speed build in the modern mansion because I did do a poll on my channel recently and of which house I should move to, and these are the results. As you can see, Modern Mansion did win, which I'm really happy did because I'm so glad to be actually building in the Modern Mansion since I've always wanted to, but like I thought it was going to be too much work. So let's just get straight into the speed build. And guys, before we get into the speed build, I'm really sorry for not posting for a long time. I was kind of on a break because of all the drama, but now I'm posting, so let's just get into it. Oh, and guys, I did do an update on my family, so you can check my recent post for that. I think it's really good, and the only reason I kind of did it is because someone said I was copying Norella, and it's true, she is my idol, but like, well, not my idol, but like she's okay, you know what I mean, right? But like I don't think I was copying her, but I just changed it just in case I get more like comments like that. But yeah, check my recent post if you want to see how my family looks like now. So yeah. Oh, and guys, the reason for that thing is because my friends kept sending me pictures of their face like in the group chats and stuff. So yeah, I had to like blur it out, but that's the only thing I found in my gallery. You're so lucky I didn't put your face on there. But yeah, so that's the reason why. Okay, right. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's the next day. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can because it's 1 a.m. right now, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked it, and bye.